Japan is changing its foreign policy strategy. It's unveiled plans for its biggest military buildup since World War II.
So they made this huge decision to toss off 6 decades of relative pacifism, increase their defense budget by double.
In Japan's western flank now, Japan sees risk and threat.
Japan is going to increase its military budget by 26%. This is Japan's largest military budget increase since World War II. In 2023, Japan will spend around 6.8 trillion yen, or $55 billion, on its military. And Japan's Prime Minister, Fumio Kishida, wants to make this budget even larger. He wants to double Japan's military spending up to 2% of its GDP by 2027. That's about $73 billion. This plan will make Japan the third biggest military spender in the world. It seems that Japan is turning its military around. For decades, Japan's military was purely for self-defense purposes. The Japanese army did this because it earned quite a reputation in East Asia, but now Japan has turned the ship around. It wants to develop a counter-strike capability. Japan wants its military to be able to fight a war. That's what the growing military budget is about. Japan wants to buy more ships, aircraft, ammunition, drones, and hypersonic missiles. It will develop a new 6th-generation fighter jet together with the UK and Italy. To add some context, 6th-generation fighter jets are the best in the world. Japan will also purchase tons of drones, like the Turkish Bayraktar drone. In short, Japan will spend billions of dollars to upgrade their military. The question is, why?
We can feel a rapid increase in the severity of the security environment around our country, in countries and the region surrounding our country, a strengthening of nuclear and missile capabilities, a rapid military buildup, and attempts to unilaterally change the status quo through power are becoming more pronounced.
Before moving on, just a quick reminder to hit that like button below. YouTube has been restricting my videos' algorithm. Alright, now back to topic. Japan's region is rapidly deteriorating. Countries from East Asia are building up their militaries and alliances. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida blames 3 countries for this: Russia, North Korea, and China. With Russia, well, it's obvious. When Russia invaded their neighbor Ukraine, Japan got a little worried. The fact that Ukraine